In this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can do multiple linear regression in SPSS. Multiple linear regression is different from simple linear regression in a sense that there should be more than one independent variable. So for instance, we're going to do, in this tutorial, we're going to test two independent variables. One is the writing, one is the math. So we're going to see how these two variables can predict students' reading score. So so this is a dependent variable. These two are the independent variable. And so this is basically the model we're going to test. And how we're going to test this that in SPSS, we can click the analyze and click the linear. So analyze, regression, linear. And let me just remove that. So I did that earlier. So here is the ratings. Rating is the independent variable. Sorry, rating is the dependent variable, yes. And then writing and the math are the independent variable. And basically, we do not need to do anything else. We can just click hit the OK button. So this is the output, and we're going through one by one to see what this output means. So the first, we're going to look at these first two tables about that what variables are in the model. So in this model, we have the independent variable math and write, and so independent variable is reading. So this is basically the first table is telling us. Second table is the model summary. The key information is the R square. So what does this R square mean? I have prepared a summary about this R square. Let's see. The second table shows the R square 0.496. So what does it mean? It means that the writing and math combined explain 49.6 variance of the rating score. So this is that these two variables explain the variance of the dependent variable. And if you watch the other tutorial, I'll put a link down below, the simple linear regression, in which we only has one independent variable, writing, and use the writing to predict the rating. Yes, we did not have the math in that tutorial. So you compare that. For that case, the R square is only like 0.356. So translate into a percentage, it means that the writing explains 35.6% variance of the reading score. So as you can see that as we add one more independent variable, math, into the model, we explain more variance compared to single predictor. In generally, or typically, as you add more independent variables into the model, you can explain more variance. Okay, so this is the first two tables. The third table is ANOVA table. The reason why it's here is that you can understand linear regression use the ANOVA analysis framework as well. On the other side, ANOVA analysis itself is also a linear model. So that's what I explain here. That's a lot about this, the connection between ANOVA and linear regression, and we're not going to go further here, but you just need to understand the basic idea here. Okay, now we're going to see the most important table. In general, we would like to focus on is correlation coefficient table. So in this table, it has a few numbers we would like to focus. One is the unstandardized coefficient. One is the significant the p-value. As you can see that for the writing and the math, both p-values are significant because both of them are smaller than 0.05. So it means that these two are significant predictors for the dependent variable, the rating. I have prepared a slide for this. Let's go there. So this is the table we just saw. So what it means that basically we can rewrite the model we would like to test. So basically, we want to estimate the the intercept, regression coefficient for writing, for math. So now the first one is intercept, second one 0.328 is for the writing, for the regression coefficient, and 0.52 is for the math. So for this 0.33, it means that for writing score to increase 1 unit, like increase 1, then the reading score will increase 0.33. Similarly, for math score to increase 1 unit, the reading score will increase 0.52 unit. So that's basically the idea about the meaning of regression coefficients. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And you like this video, please. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.